We students of Sunbeam School, Mughalsarai, are here to present Oceanside.
So sir, imagine that you are going to a beach, enjoying the weather, and you go to swimming, and there is a plastic bottle of nowhere comes and chokes. God does not do it, but for the instance. So to tackle such type of situations, we are introducing Oceanside. It aims to clear garbage patches mostly because garbage patches block the way of sunlight to the planktons. Phytoplanktons are responsible for the 50% of oxygen present in the world. So to protect, they are depleting day by day because of garbage patches. So to tackle this situation, we are introducing Oceanside. Oceanside will go and collect garbages, and it is a smart model. He will explain about Oceanside to you.
So they've used ES32 for the maintenance of these motors. They've used two servo motors.
What motors are they? Servo.
No, these two are servo motors and these are for movement. DC motors.
DC motors.
We have actually used two servo motors here to control the net system actually. If a garbage comes over here, we have used ultrasonic over there. If a garbage enters here, so the net will lower itself to capture that garbage. And if no garbage is present, so it will raise the net so that the garbage will stay inside it. We have used a webcam to classify garbage from non-garbage. If a garbage is classified, then the bot will move into capturing mode, in which the bot will move towards the garbage to collect it. And the second mode is in which when the garbage is not detected. In that situation, the bot will move 360 to scan the entire area. Sir, so we have used batteries over here to power the model. And in our future plan, we are introducing a dock session.
मैम छोड़िए मैम इसको
उधर आ गया है, आप उसका पेमेंट करके ले लीजिए।
मैम थोड़ा वीडियो
As soon as I put a garbage element to it, it will detect as a garbage. And it will move towards the garbage, and the servo will lower down the nets and it will collect over here. In future, we are going to add a sorting system where it will sort out non-garbage elements and garbage elements easily. Suppose a fish enters over here and it will sort out over here.
That is okay.
We also have a Jeep.
So suppose it detects, okay? So first thing is that where is the garbage located, that needs to be known. Right?
Yes.
Otherwise where will the bot go?
That is tracked by the GPS.
No, but then the GPS info. See, suppose you have a garbage. Okay. If you have the garbage here, this GPS location and this GPS, and the bot is here, right? So that GPS won't be able to distinguish between these two positions because the resolution is similar.
So actually, we are using a GPS in which we will actually feed it an area in which the bot will specifically move. So we will map out the area in the ocean near the garbage patches. The biggest one is the Great Pacific Ocean garbage patch. So we will drop this into that area. We will locate it in that area. The bot will clear itself and dock itself to the docking station, dump all the garbages to the docking station, and recharges itself.
So that is, so my question is, suppose your bot is sitting over here, right? And the garbage is at this point. Okay. So if you have installed your camera, the garbage gets detected. The GPS location of the garbage and your bot won't be different.
Yes, we agree.
So then how will the bot know where to go and pick it up?
Sir, actually our camera has two parts. So first is scanning, second is collecting. So our camera will scan 360 time to time. If it detects any garbage in any surrounding, then it will start to move towards it and collect it.
Sir, so what I'm trying to say, I get in the next.
We have installed ESP32 inside it. Like we have it is inside it. This camera is setting packets to ESP32. That ESP32 is controlling our motors. That motors will be guided towards garbage and it will collect it.
To what point? Suppose there the garbage is there. This bot has to move to that point, right? So how will your this bot know that you have reached that? So that's a suggestion. So listen to my suggestion. Okay? It is not. I am not telling that you have not done it.
Yes.
What I am trying to say is that what you can do next.
Yes.
Change this mode.
to something called a depth camera. Okay, what is a depth camera? A depth camera also gives you information about distance. Suppose the camera is detecting something. Generally, cameras work is to give you images, right? RGB images.
Yes.
But with depth camera, you not only get RGB images, you also get the information as to how much distance the object is.
Actually, once the garbage is collected, then the server, ultrasonic system send the signal to the ESP2 and the
Yeah,
bottom.
listen to the suggestion. Okay, on that. So it's a suggestion. Okay, you have not implemented that. So the next step, implement that. Okay, that will help you. That because you want to build it completely, right? So take this camera and replace it with a studio camera because it cannot end here, right? You have spent time on this. Okay, you should make it better. You should always try to make it better.
Yes, sir.
So the next step would be to replace that with such a camera so that you know how much distance the bot has to travel. And the bot will travel to that point, then pick it
Hello.
up as you were telling.
भैया 5 मिनट बस दे दीजिए, जजिंग हो रही है एक्चुअली मेरे वीडियो की, बस 5 मिनट.
One more thing. Actually, this server, this laptop acts as a
आप
server.
थोड़ा सा
This
आगे
will be
सीधा आ
worldwide,
जाइए, हम दिख
anywhere
रहे
in the
होंगे
world.
आपको. सीधा
So,
आ जाइए
we can't
जहाँ पे
implement
IIT
any
गुवाहाटी
processing on the
लिखा हुआ है,
spot,
सीधा
but
बगल
that
वाले
will
बिल्डिंग
be,
में, सीधा आ जाइए.
it won't be as efficient as doing it on the land. So once it
Admin building
captures
के
an image, it will send to the server located around the world, and then the processing would happen on that server, and then the signal would again come back to the ESP2, and then it will control the node. The top will also have a solar panel, so that when the bot is displacing the garbage into it, then it will also charge itself.
Actually, whatever I've done is okay. So my feedback is that